Yeah, man. We are in game, baby. My mission. We're going to take out a dragon. We're going to get patches. There was something... How the heck... What do you gotta know? I just cleaned these. I just cleaned them. We are going to take out this dragon. I think it shouldn't be too hard, but you know me with my melee. Because I'm not exactly the king melee. So this should be a challenge. I'm not going to summons. And then I'm going to go get patches so I can get Margaret Shackle. And then, hopefully, I will have some very powerful gamers that want to put their sign down over at Margot's place. If you have a character that hasn't burned your capital yet, right? And then we'll get down, get funky, get live. Otherwise, maybe I'll try and solo it. Maybe I'll pull up a Tish or something, right? Okay, let us get... Whoa. What's it doing? I want my other weapon. I want this one. So I can Golden Vow. Like a good golden buffer. Let's hit this first. Let's Golden Vow. What's going on, man? Truth, how you doing, brother? Good to see you, man. Let's take this buff. And let's go take out a dragon. Get your butt in here. I have no fire resistance, so I might have to mount up. What? Come on. Yep. Yeah, that fire is not good for my health, guys. Come on. Jeez Louise. Guys, I survived, but that was not easy. I'm having a game, folks. I'm having to actually play the game. I hit him in his head, guys. Okay, that was a little late. Okay, that was pretty bad. This guy's gonna... this is how he's gonna play it, huh? See what he's doing to me, Truth? Oh, my God. I got him at 50%. I've hit him once, I think. Okay, maybe twice. I guess I'm going for the head. I hate going for the head. All the good players go for the head. I hit him on his tail. Go ahead. Shoot the poopies at me. Shoot the poopies at me. You gotta use terrain to your advantage, folks. We got this. I gotta stop targeting. Start trying to get jump attacks when I come in. Well, I could do it like this. Come on. I said stop targeting. God, why? I just gave him a tail swipe. I didn't care. I poked him. If I die, I'm gonna be so mad because it's taking forever, bro. He's gonna fly away. But just hit him. Just whack. Just whack. You got lucky. Whoa, man. Worst fight ever. We're in, folks. We're in. Dude, I'm telling you, man, the big, slow weapons, it's kind of like the big bonks, man. They're just a little bit tricky. Yeah, at least for me. For me. Now we're going to go do patches, because we never did patches on this character. Where's the... If I could just... Where's the... Is that the way? No, there's like an archway or something. Is this the way? Wait. No, it's way over here. Cool. We'll get way over here. And we got 21,000 runes for that. Not much, folks. Felled him in no time. Man, I swung on him 20 times. Hit him 3 times. He was dead or something, right? Practically. That was horrible. It was horrible, damn it. We're gaming. We're digging this, this, what's this thing called? Equipment Thorio. Grafted Blade Great Sword, guys. It's a pretty great sword. It's real heavy. It's real strong. Okay, we're going to get invaded over here. We want to get this weapon out for when we get invaded. I should have probably buffed. I should have got a new flask. Got him! Gotta dance! I love... It's okay, I took care of it, Yuri. I took care of it, Yuri. Yuri needs to understand I can take care of stuff myself. You know what I mean? What are you up to today, Truth? Tell me all the good stuff, man. I had a good day. We had a fun chess stream earlier. Been looking forward to playing all day. Posted a, gosh, I posted some of the stuff I've been posting here on the shorts. I've been posting on TikTok also. Starting to get some views, man. Starting to get some views. Just need a little consistency, you know what I mean? Build up a little bit of a following over there. It's a younger crowd, about 10 years younger than here, I would say. There's more, right? I thought a bunch of people ran from in here. Told you. It's just so crazy. It's such a big, gnarly weapon, man. What do we got over here? This is the fog wall? This is Patches? He's right here? He is. Okay. Steal Patches' stuff. Patches is a poker, folks. Well, shut up, Patches. You're like I don't have anything to throw at you. He's got a poker, guys. So I'm going to have to hit him hard. Keep my health. He's going to come right through that. Look at that. Look at that. Awesome. I don't remember him doing that. Wait, please. I surrender. White flag and all. I'm not going to kill you, man. Talk. I'm not killing you. Stop being scared. Well, finally come round, we get runes for that. 2,000. Chilling with the fam. Just the basic good old days. Very good, man. That's a good day. Chilling with the fam. Man, I was telling the chess stream earlier. We had a like a celebration of life for a friend yesterday. It was at a bar that we would forgive and forget. That we would play music at sometimes and work there sometimes and would see this old guy there. Really nice guy, man. He's got really good kids. His kids are like my age, maybe older. I think the guy was in his 90s, guys. His name was Rabbit. He was a really cool guy. And so we went to that yesterday. That started at 2. Then the band started at 4. We got up to play around 4 to 5, 5 to 6. Yeah, we played from like 6 to 7. We sat in with the band. And had a blast. Just a freaking blast. I went live. It's on my Facebook page if you want to check it out. The phone fell on the floor a couple times, folks. Hey, man. I think poor Courtney picked it up, and she was, like, trying to hold it the whole time. I'm like, just shut it off, or I don't know. I just felt bad. Just felt bad, you know what I mean? Like, she would be having to hold it the whole time. Plus, then she got up to sing. Now, where is this Patches right here? Here's Boiled Prawn Shack. But what I don't know is where the heck is... Patches? He's in La Nernanana, right? He's like sitting on something. I don't think it's this. It's a little island or something. Should we look? You guys know? Does anyone know exactly where Patches is? Let me see. Where is Patches Liurnia? Okay. Scenic Isle in Liurnia to see Patches. He'll sell a few items, right? Yeah. I think to get him to move to Liurnia until Goddard Grafted is defeated, or when the player enters Liurnia or the lakes after completing the previous steps. He's in Laskir Ruins. I know where that is. On a scenic isle northwest of Laskir Ruins. Okay, cool. Got him. He can't hide from us now, folks. Chilling with it is sick gear, Drew. I concur. Drew said, looking good, dude. Love the grafted greatsword with the unaltered banished knight's helm. Yeah, man. How you doing, Drew? Okay, I got that back there, so let me get back over here. And it told me where Laskir Ruins are, like, over here somewhere. I think this is a place to get them. Scenic Isle. Scenic Isle. I already read it. Northwest of Laskir Ruins. Okay, cool. I can do this. Oh, and I haven't done the... I don't think I did this Everjail up here, guys. You want to knock it out? Side quests, folks. Side quests. These are the Laskir Ruins. You're going to see a name on them sooner or later. There's even a grace over here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Easy. That actually scared me. Like my heart jumped. These are Laskir Ruins, I believe. Don't think I hit me, please. Scenic Isle. We don't have this grace yet. We don't. I do. Dude, the whole freaking neighborhood is on me, bro. The whole neighborhood is... I'm getting, like, beat up by the whole neighborhood. Why don't let me... If I could touch the grace, that'd be great. Now can I rest? I can. Cool. You're doing great, bro. Loving the vertical videos you're posting. Yeah, well, that was... If you're talking about, like, the reels, the shorts... You're talking about the shorts, or you're talking about the fact that, like, yeah, Saturday I went live... here on YouTube in vertical format. Northwest, Scenic Isle, Northwest. Patches is supposed to be this way, guys. Supposed to be this way. Yeah, because I've been posting the shorts and the reels, and then also I went live Saturday in the vertical format because I think they said they're going to feature some of those vertical. They want people to start streaming vertically, obviously. I see them. And so, I guess, for some reason, and they said they would feature them in the Shorts tab, which is just a great way to get more exposure. So I tried it Saturday, but I'm like, okay, well, here we are. We didn't stream yesterday. Well, I mean, I streamed on Facebook with my band, right? Purchase. There it is. Margit's Shackle. Cookbook, I want to buy 2. I'm going to buy all 3 of these. In case we ever end up doing something that requires a little bit of stuff. I also did send White Mask Var to Rose Church. Okay, so we got that. We did the patches thing. We got Margit's Shackle. Now we can come back here. Queen's Bedchamber. And, yeah, if any, the shorts, yeah. First time hearing the rendition of the Bonnie song. You guys rocked it. Yeah, man. Guilty. Yeah, that song's Guilty. It's great. It was great, man. We had a lot of fun. But it's just a long time in a bar, guys. 6 hours? 6 hours in a bar. It's a long time. But we survived. We survived. Now, I got one I can summon here. Does anyone want to drop, Drew? Anyone want to drop in, man? You know, I mean, I'm having fun in this playthrough. I'm zerging through bosses. What I'm pretty much doing, what I did yesterday with Kat and Trey, and it works way better for me. So I hope it works for you too. Sometimes I'll have fun doing some running around. But for me, I would rather meet at fog walls. That way, there's not so much waiting. You know what I'm saying? So if you want to, if you're ready to go, Drew, you could jump in. Otherwise, I'm just gonna probably summon like a Black Knife Teacher, and maybe this little help right here. See if I can kill this fool with. Oh, I gotta equip the shackle, guys. Equipment Thorio, right here. Margit's Shackle. We got Mode Shackle too, so that'll be good. So yeah, you'll hop in. Cool. Dang, already to Margit. Try and catch up to my 27 wins. You know what, man? I've just been like running and killing bosses. It's NG Plus. I don't have a lot of stuff to collect. You know what I mean? Cool. And yeah, I was kind of starting to solo this fool last night, or not last night, the day before. And I'm like, you know, I have no problem with summoning people too and having fun with it. I just was like, if I'm gonna solo it, I better get the shackle. So I just went on that little side mission to get the shackle. And so now I'm back to chop this thing up. There's a, I think there's a trinket some guy said to use with this build, but I don't know if it's good. Lord's favor, Lord's divine favor, or Lord's favor or something. I don't know. It doesn't look right to me. But I do have enormously boosted physical damage negation on. In Millicent's prosthesis, that's kind of like another one, but this is better, right? Cool. Your sign's down. Is it down down here or up here? Looking. It'll pop in a second. Oh, this is gonna be fun, man. That's not you. No, that's the girl. And if I could summon her too, I will, but I'm gonna summon you first. It's not. Yeah, there's nothing there yet. We just gotta wait for it to load in. It'll load in. All I see is the healer girl. Melina. And I'll summon her too if she's still there after I summon you. I don't know if I can summon her too. That'd be fun if I can, but I see nothing. Oh, wait. I'm so sorry, dude. I had Elden Ring out of my brain. That was me, dude. I put the finger down. Okay, once you get in, if her sign's still down, I'm gonna drag her. I'm gonna grab her too. Yeah, I have the same pass on. I just never put my finger down. So I clicked it. You're coming. Get my buffs ready. I touched it. Here you come. When I see you and I know you're really here and I can trust it, if I can still summon her, looks like I can. Let's get her. Cool. Oh, this guy's toast now. He is freaking toast. Because I was doing some damn. You ready? Sorry. Let's roll. I doubt I had runes. I'm fixing a shackle. Yeah, I thought that might happen. I think he's going after what's-her-face. He's angry with Melina.
Shall not be forgiven.
Oh, he's getting toasted. If I stay alive, it's over. Oh, that was a bad move. Okay. Okay. Stay alive and it's over. Oh, yeah. We got him now. Got him! Why, thank you, Drew. Yeah, it was a pleasure. Yeah, what's up? Hey! Thank you, Drew. That was nice. It was quick. It was fun. I dug it. I broke the throne. I broke the Elden throne, guys. That's pretty rude. Yeah, felled the fool. The fool got felt. He got felled. Felled. Boom. Okay, so that's it, right? Now I have a grace, and Melina will come talk to me. And I set Rodriga up, man. I mean, I'm not gonna really do anything, probably level any summons this playthrough, but it just kills me seeing her out there all alone. But you know, by the freaking fireplace, you know.
Hello again.
I want her to.
Old friend. Allow me a moment.
I want her to have her friend, what's his face, to stay with.
Able to enter the Earth Tree. No.
Yeah, I couldn't.
By the mantle of barbs.
The mantle of barbs, yes.
Are a husky.
Okay, cool. Oh my God, you start talking faster. Like I almost can't understand what you're saying. But you know what I love about you is it went quicker. But dude, now if I would have whacked her, would I had to go talk to the Pope? Would you guys been mad at me? So now, next thing is Fire Giant, right? This is the huge Dectus medallion. Yeah, and then where's the huge lift of rolled? Oh, I remember. Avenue Balcony. You got to make the run, guys. We got to make the run. I always forget what to do from here, and when I don't remember, I'm like, now you know. You just got to go freaking. You got to run from here. Yep, cool. So yeah, whatever boss is next. If you guys want to get funky, man, I'm down. Anyone want to play the two poopers? Where would we put the sign down for the two poopers? You know the ones I'm talking about with the invisible background in the dark room. Those guys. The After Dark community. I posted in Charlie Sardo Gaming group, not on my regular page, and also in the Chillers group. To be sure everybody knows we're here, guys. Sometimes, because I'll say it over and over and over, but maybe, 3%, 5% of the people actually hear it. Mex didn't know. Mex is pretty freaking active, man. Whoa. I don't get to use that. Okay. You stay out of my life. That loot is not worth getting, I don't think. Always providing the vibes that are abiding. Thank you, Truth, man. You put out some pretty good vibes yourself, my brother. Yeah, so last night, man, yesterday, I went without a guitar because I left not from my house. I had my amp, but I didn't have a guitar, so I called Magic Sam Massey and said, hey, dude, we're at the bar, come hang out with us. He said, great, I will. And then I called him right back and said, oh, bring guitars. He said, okay. So he brought me a nice Strat to play. It was cool. He didn't have a Telecast. Whoa. That was weird. It's like he didn't even want me. He knows he's not allowed to be on this platform, guys. So he brought me a Strat, they're great guitars. I own a Strat. He brought me a much nicer one than the one I own. But guys, I'm a Telecaster player, man. I mess with the Les Paul even a little bit more than the Strat, but the Strat it's just so not my. It's just not so much my jam. The way I rest my palm on the guitar and stuff, it doesn't feel right to me. It's the Strat just doesn't feel right. This dude really isn't gonna aggro. The Knight didn't even aggro. I'm trying to think times I've done this and the Knight didn't aggro. Whoa. What a turn. That must be a good one. Somber 6 is all? Yeah. So I got to play the Strat and it was fun. It sounded good, felt good. And guitar players, I mean, at least I am. I usually want to play my guitar, but I didn't have it. So it's like, what do you know, I ain't being a beggar and a chooser, folks. That was very, very nice of Sam to haul guitars. He actually brought 3 guitars because he's such a great dude. We're going to run down here. We're going to grab the crates. We're going to come back. We're going to walk out there. That guy's going to disappear. We're going to go in there, and there's going to be people. I don't know where I would summon for these guys. Maybe at the Grace, right? And then we'll just take the elevator up and zone out. I'm gonna be looking. I'm gonna be looking for any little poopies right here. If not, I'll just summon a Black Knife Teacher, guys. I'm cool with it. 285,000 ruins. We got to spend them, folks. Level up. Oh my God, 288, 285. We're so close to 2. We have to check our inventory, guys. Inventorio. We got some heavies here, guys. We got some heavies. Use. What do we get for that? That should put us there. Okay. Drew. You can't summon for the twins. Okay, cool. Tell me if anyone in chat knows this question about Elden Ring. With my weapon, scales strength B, dex D. That means it scales more with strength than with dex, but it's still strength. It still scales with dex, right? So if it's B strength and D dex, is there like a number? Like if I have 60 strength, how much dex should I have? Does that make sense? Is that something you learn? True says, I always appreciate the live music, dude. I've been to like 50 concerts, but not in over 10 years until your stream's nice, dude. Sign us down at the summoning pool for Forbidden Lands whenever it's ready. Okay. Yeah, cool. You know what I'm saying? How many points because I have 68 in strength right now, but I think I'm going to respec it anyway because I think it should have 60 in strength. And if I have 60 in strength and it's B scaling with strength, how many points should I have in dex if it's D scaling? Fire Giant's going to be fun. You know? Like, I have 19 dex right now. To me, that's... Oh, I've been putting a bunch in endurance, though. I've been putting a bunch in endurance to free up some talisman slots and what have you. And then I can dual wield. So nothing's really a mistake. So we'll just put 2 in endurance. But I feel like maybe I should be putting some in dex. You know what I'm saying? I just don't know. I just don't ratfully. There's got to be some kind of a formula, man. You know what I mean? Secondary stat. These are like 2 to 1. I usually kind of vibe like that. You know what I mean? I'm like, okay, well, it's strength. But like everything after 60 for strength, you're starting to hit your caps, right? And so even though it only scales D scaling with dex, the points from 20 to 30 might do more damage than points over 60. Right? You'd have to check the spreadsheet by putting in dex now would be the good move. You'll probably have enough endurance. I do have enough endurance, but let me see. There was something. Oh yeah. I can't dual wield these heavy things yet. So I don't know, man. Maybe I shouldn't even be dreaming about dual wielding these things. You know what I mean? Is that just dumb? Is it just dumb to dual wield these things? Like that freaking shackle up, folks. The weapon's crazy, guys. This guy. I kind of want him dead. Dead before the other one attacks me. Got him. Good. Where is she? That's about perfect, right, guys? That was about perfect. I should have got the riposte. I'm gonna break my freaking mouse. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Get chopped. Get heavied. Get heavied. Yeah, it's just not hard. You know, this is a little bit of a tankier kind of a thing, man. You just... I think I have poise and stuff with all those extra buffs, and you just take some hits, so you just do more damage than you take. Actually, I get strength to 80 before leveling dex. Oh, really? Okay, see, Drew? See, I would have thought maybe strength to 60, and then like dex to 30 or something. You know what I mean? But I don't know. Okay, I gotta do this, and I gotta run up and activate a rune or something, right, guys? I feel like I just did this. I did just do this. And then I gotta go all the way back, but I could port. Isn't there a... Yeah, there's a grace. We just gotta activate this great rune, and then we gotta port. And I have 59k. Not exactly what I was, looking forward to. But, yeah, the long traveling stuff is what I'm starting to avoid, Drew, for me, because I feel like I'm getting nervous. I feel like I'm getting nervous, and I want to get freaking nervous. You know what I'm saying? And so I'm thinking, if anyone wants to come in, just be at the next boss. You know what I'm saying? That way I can ride my horse there. You know what I mean? Rather than all the running through stuff. Okay, wait. Grace here is upstairs. Is there a grace upstairs? What do you need it for? They're not weird. They put a grace, I guess, to let you rest after just killing the twins. The weapon scaling and grading system is definitely involved, but I think you understand the concept. The grading of each weapon increases. Yeah, and the thing is, points and strength aren't... They're not going to scale the same way from 60 to 80, right? Because those points don't affect you as much. Forbidden Lands. And then, so I'm trying to decide if it's 60 or 80. But see, I might not want to make this character that high a level. As a matter of fact, I might even, after I kill Fire Giant, I might just go do Commander Niall, and I may not burn Haligtree on this character. I was going to not burn it on the Reduvia Daggers, which could be a move too. Everything is on the table, folks, here at Charlie Sardo Gaming. Whoa. It's less than a month before the Chillers thing. Drew, are you going to be able to make it to that thing, man? Drew, I hope you can so bad, man. I hope you can so bad. It would be so cool. I think we're going the right way, right? Yeah. Yep. You just got to start getting across the bridges, folks. The Jeff Bridges. Get with Trey, man. You get your freaking, like, share a room or something. I'm going the right way, right? I feel like I'm not. Yeah, I feel like... I just went back to where I started. I usually just stay to the right. I'm like, this is it. I found it. I usually just kind of stay to the right. But you know what threw me off? That knight. So maybe I could have passed time so he wouldn't freak me out. Or I could just get off and kill the freaking knight. That's a move, right? He's right down here somewhere, right? You just stay to the right. Is it just right past the knight? Whoa. It's right here. Okay, good. Huh! That scared me, folks. I want to get my feet on the ground for a double jump. I felt like I jumped into the thing. Out of Marble, I really wish that'd be amazing. Yeah, you don't have to come for very long, man. You just got to get here Saturday in the day and spend Saturday night, man. You go home Sunday. It's going to be a good time, dude. It's going to be a good time. And Trey's coming. It'd be so freaking... We'd have so much freaking fun. Laughing and stuff. Having a couple beers. You got a month, man. You got a month. I don't know how far you are. How far are you, Drew? Whoa, 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 whoa. Speed scaling strength should definitely get to 80. Ah, okay. Got you. Near Washington, D.C., right, right. Like I said, you might be able to find someone to split a room with, man. It'd just be cool. It'd just be cool. But I understand everyone can't do it. You know what I'm saying? I really do. I really do. I'm going to freaking Missouri in April to go see Nick Savage and his Savages. Don't get it twisted. If not for my schedule and distance, I would be there. I really wish I could. Yeah. I know, Jay. I really do. Caleb says, "Hey, Charlie Chillers, how you doing?" The band leader called me yesterday. We had a little talk. I was a little bit late going somewhere because we were talking about the music and for the gig that night and how we were going to do it and how we were going to divvy up the time and kind of. I like that dude because he's like a lot of people just be like, okay, yeah, it's a gig. I'm pretty laid back. I'm like, okay, it's a gig. What? Are you, yeah, okay. And someone's like, well, what song? What kind of? It's like, look, I do what I do, so I'm not gonna like think, oh, maybe today I'll play a little bit more of this or a little bit more of that. I'm someone that sometimes doesn't worry about it, and I'm not saying he's worried about it. You know what he's doing? He's burning energy, caring. You know what I'm saying? He's like, if we think about this, we plan it ahead, we can make this really cool. And I'm like, yeah, that's what I want. So that's what we did last night. We had a little, or night before. Or maybe it was just yesterday in the day. Yeah, you guys know. I still don't know where my car is. And so we had like a little production meeting for the music for that night. It's going to be freaking fun, man. It's going to be freaking fun. And then I played music last night. And so that got me a little pumped up about playing music too, right? Billy Molinix, what is up, my brother? Welcome, welcome, welcome. The new Malekith short is up on YouTube. If you go to Charlie Sardo Gaming and click on Shorts, it should be featured actually at the top, or maybe the lives are first, and then right under the lives are the. There's an air spring like right here, guys, and like the mod where they do the speed runs and stuff. There's an air spring right there that you can just jump up and not have to run through the whole map. Not like probably the true challenge runs. Maybe not speed runs. Speed runs you probably gotta travel, right? You can't mod the game for a speed run. Good news, Caleb. It's his birthday. It's Trey's birthday. Yeah, and yesterday was Adam Freeman's birthday. Guys, I was at the bar, and like I told you, we were there for a long time. We were in a bar for 6 hours. So I'm sitting there having a good old time, and Adam Freeman messaged me, "Hey, you gonna be doing any streams today?" And so I just hit the button, man. I just video called Adam Freeman. Adam Freeman answered. We were laughing. It was his birthday. I'm like, no way, great timing. I said, Courtney, come out here and tell him happy birthday. She came out and sang happy birthday to him, and it was just nice. It was a very, very nice little part of my day to connect with one of you guys, with my man Adam Freeman, great supporter, moderator, chess improver, adult chess improver. Now this, I feel like they kind of give you this for that, right? So, and then this one you can usually get past it. That is going to be, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. He's like, hey, you need to get back into. They're starting to turn on George. You guys know what movie that is? Is there a Grace over here or something? They're starting to turn on George. I hate when I jump off too early and it rolls away from me. You're going to get trapped, though. Give me my thing. Oh, smithing 8. That's cool. Guys, these are for subsequent playthroughs, guys. You gotta stock up as you play, man. Cat says, so thanks, guys. That's good news. Caleb said, Trey got his package. Oh, yeah. That's exciting. Yep. If you haven't watched last night, Jan, Charlie, Courtney rocked the house. Oh, thanks, man. I gotta tell you, I was a little bit, what's the word? Well, like I said, 6 hours in a bar, folks. And I'm not working. So, you know, I don't feel like I ain't making excuses. I've done better. It wasn't, what I did wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. But, I can get pretty, what's the word? Impaired. And still do my job at a reasonable level. My singing usually goes away before my guitar playing does. Yeah, because the guitar I can just I can play safe. You know what I mean? I just play safe, and then I'll play okay, play pretty solid. But the singing, Courtney, man, Courtney sings perfect no matter what you do to her, man. Courtney's freaking great. Wedding singer, it is wedding singer. That's a great scene, huh? Okay, now this way is the fire giant, right? Or you can go both ways, right? No, that's Castle Poop Out of Luck, right? I think this way is. It is. I think. Yeah, this is Fire Giant. Wedding Singer's a great movie, man. I freaking. Wedding Singer, anyone? Great freaking movie. Freaking hilarious. You know what I love too? Is it a chick flick? If it is, I don't care. It's Adam Sandler. 50 First Dates. 50 First Dates is a great, man, I haven't been in there in forever. And I'm not going in. 50 First Dates, to me, is a great, great movie. Okay, now I should stop screwing around. Whoa. Yep, I think I remembered he was going to be there, too. Okay, I think we made it past the worst of the Borealis River. Libations at jam session makes vibes abide sometimes. Whoa! Jeez Louise. I'm over here reading. I'm over here trying to talk to chat. Oh, my God. I'm going to get hit again. And there's dogs over here, too. Is there an invader here or something? Oh, that's the church. See, I thought the freaking dragon was, like, way closer to the church. My guess is Trey didn't get his package on Saturday. It wasn't the normal driver who knew the code to get into the gated community. There you go. That makes such sense, man. Yep. Wedding Singer is one of the best movies. Wedding Singer is great, man. Yeah. Dave Joyce, what's up, my brother? How you doing, man? Good to see you. Guys, okay, check me out. I want to tell you guys something because you guys are the first responders. You guys are the hardcores, man, that are really helping me get this YouTube channel off the ground. To get monetized here, I need. Used to be 1,000 or 750. They lowered it to 500, but I'm over 750 on my followers. Okay, so you need 500 followers and 3,000 watch hours in a 365-day period. Well, after like my first week of streaming, I'm like, well, it's gonna take about 4 months. I'm like, all right. I'll stream every day for 4 months, or almost every day for 4 months. You know what I mean? It's like, if it was easy, everybody would do it, right? Plus, like, you know, I'm getting more time here. I get a few more subs here. People always just only want to get monetized, but they don't understand that, like, if you buy followers to get monetized, then you'll go live and there'll be no one watching. And then what's the point? You know what I'm saying? There's no point. So it's kind of build community as you / get monetized, right? So, 3,000 watch hours. I'm thinking it's going to take about 4 months. I'm like, that's cool. Where the chain's over here? And then after about 3 weeks, I'm like, well, maybe it's going to be more like 3 months. Well, here we are at 5 weeks, guys. We're 5 weeks into 3,000 watch hours. that I've been streaming on YouTube like this, and we're halfway. We're at 1,500. So at the rate we're going, 2.5 months. Could it slow down? Yes. Will it probably speed up? Yes. But I'm like a month and a half from now. You know what I mean? And that's just like, those are just little streamer goals. You know what I mean? I mean, that's what you do when you start streaming on a platform. You're like, okay, I want to hit this first threshold. You know what I mean? And that's what we're going to be hitting here in a little bit, guys. And that's really exciting. So thank you guys. Thank you guys for playing Elden Ring After Dark, guys. I'm not sure if we're going to have Trey and Kat. I mean, Drew and Kat.
I traveled with.
But I think Drew and Kat are going to be at the Fire Giant, folks. And so that could be quite the exciting predicament, guys. Kat and Nefeli Lou took out my Godric the Grafted the other night. That was freaking hilarious. I actually started making a short of that because it's pretty cool because it's girls' night out. You know what I'm saying? Should I fight the Rivers of Blood? He'll probably carve me up, guys. I'm gonna start swinging like a mile away. That's great news. Yeah, it is. And I kind of thought it would be like that too. I'm like, okay, well, I should start doing better after. Where's he spawn? There's no way! We're gonna get some blood loss, guys. This is bad. Tapped me. Got him! Gotta dance! Dude, I'm telling you, man. You just get better at the game, you know what I mean? You get better at the game. I'm not that good. I mean, that was not great or anything, but you get better at the game. The first time that guy kicks my butt, I'm like, oh my god, I can't even kill this guy. I have to, like, run around him. He's just, like, impossible. He's too good. He's too good. Well, he's not so good. Your daughter got a couple million views in no time fast. Nice. Love what you do. What you love, and it will happen. Yep. Kevin, we've been putting the sign down at the lower door rather than at the grace. Yes. What's your poise at? And which talismans? The talismans, the Tally Me Bananas mans are. I think I got a great shield on. I think I got. Wait. Yeah. Ah! No! Jeez Louise, I'm hitting the F button. I feel like it wasn't jumping. Green Turtle. Enormously boosts physical damage negation. Boosts dexterity, raises attack power with successive attacks. I don't know if I should use that one or not. And then the axe talisman. And I'll tell you what my poise is at here in a second once I find my grace. Once I drop down the... Whoa. Yeah, this... I don't know why. That door right there just never been my door for the Fire Giant. Probably because this one's closer to the grace, right? I mean, you can just... You can run right up there, can't you, or something? I still think this is faster. A Millicent's hand won't be useful. Doesn't hit fast enough. What should I put in there, then? What should I put in there? Oh, and, my wonderful physic. I think charge attacks and break stance. And so the charge attacks, I think, are good because I've got a couple of things working on charge attacks, and I just got to hit my old shift button and then push so hard I'm fixing to break my freaking my mouse. So what do we use besides this? Because I don't have much stuff. I need to go get some. Raises, yeah, successive attacks. Right, that's not going to do much, man. Enhances charge spells and skills. Oh wait. No, that's not the one I want to use. Equipment Thorio is Axe Talisman. I just put on Godfrey's icon, but I'm taking that off. I just got Dragon Crest Talisman on. As a matter of fact, I'm going to put on... See, where's the Flame Drake +2, man? I don't understand why I don't have one. And then the Green Turtle. So what should I put in my Godfrey? But I don't have much stuff. Jump attacks, maybe? I mean, I haven't been. I've been doing some. Yeah, I don't have a Flame Drake +2. Oh, no. So it's Flame Drake and Flame Drake +1. So that's the good one. Yeah, never mind. Yeah. I get it now, Dave Joyce. It's a +1 is the +2. Or I'm thinking Flame Drake or yeah, jump. Right. I could do jump attacks. Yep, but I'm going to be trying for charge, but when I can't do a charge, I do a jump. Definitely put back Great Shield and don't put the fire thing on. The fire might kill me, bro. Oh, you mean Great Shield over jump attacks? Is that what you're saying? Great Shield over jump attacks? Is that what you were saying? Okay, I see two familiar faces. Let's just be sure that we know what we're talking about here. There's Levek, and this is Harlow. Dude, they're ready to roll, man. With Great Shield and Claw. Right. Yeah. Oh, I see. Great Shield and Claw. Okay, we'll give it a shot. Don't need fire negation if you don't get hit. Billy, I mean, how could I argue with that? But sometimes, and I'm not going to have a horse. Okay, Jewel, Golden Val, cool. Hey! This is the worst part about this thing is I can't ride my horse. I believe you, Chancho. I'm going to be so far ahead of them. Give him a chance to catch up. Hey! Rolling this, I'm not too sure about. Well, that wasn't bad. Yep. Good. You're lucky. He's so lucky, and I can't get on my horse. I just shackled him. I gotta get the shackle off, guys. I gotta take a shackle off. They haven't hit him yet, folks. They're starting to put the poopies. Okay. I keep going to my horse. Like, phase 2's gonna suck, man. Phase 2's gonna suck. How did he hit me? Phase 2 when he starts shooting the freaking laser beams. Whoa, that was close. Phase 2, baby. Let's go. How you guys feeling? Everyone live? Dude, if Zach Wild hears Stream Rock, don't be surprised to hear him shredding it. Shh. I told you, I know a guy that like works with Zach Wild. I think he's like a personal friend, and he's done security for him. He's always posting stuff on his Facebook, like behind the scenes at like Ozfest or these big concerts and stuff with Zach Wild. Okay, I'm gonna click it. I'm gonna click it. I'm dead. That was bad. I'm dead. Just run. Just run. Just run. Run for your freaking life. These things explode. I have 5 health pots. Plenty of... Okay, let's... Wrong foot. He doesn't have another foot. Balls. I think we got this, man. I think we got this, guys. I knew that was going to hurt me. I can't see anything. Suicide! Got him. Did you guys make it? Is anyone still here? Gotta live. All right, man. That was very well done. Good job by everybody. You guys see that spot I found, guys, when he was making the poopy out of his mouth, man? Oh, damn, thought you died. Charlie went out in a blaze of glory, literally. I ran over here and hid. That was awesome. Was that the spot? Wait. Yeah, I think that was the spot. Good game. Yeah, thank you guys, man. That was fun. That was freaking fun. Now the question is, like, do I Farum Azula? Took a big bloody chunk from him. Action movie sacrifice style. Cool. Grace is over here somewhere, right? Oh, we got levels too. There's the Grace. We got levels. I think we have 2 levels. So that'll be good. Okay, my giant is ready. If you're up for it. Drew, totally, man. Oh my god, that is awesome. Yeah. Okay, do you mind if I, like, log something else? I mean, I don't have to bring the lightning cheese. You know, it was pretty brutal. It was pretty brutal. So you're saying strength 80. I just put 2 in endurance. I'm putting him in dex. Sorry. I just killed a fire giant. Fire giant, you say it is NG9 or something. Oh, you know what? Let me go ahead and grab another tune then. Wait. Definitely strength 80. Well, I put a couple in dex, man. With because I've got buffs too. Using this sword gives me +5, right? So I'm still not at 80, but I'm probably at 73 or something. My dex is at 14. Those points in dex got to be doing a little bit of work down there, right? Load game. Okay, let me see. What's looking good here? Yeah, he said it's like an NG +9 or something, so, I mean, I'll just try not to kill him with 2 shots, all right? Hey, you know what? If the points are going to go into dex later, then they're fine now. Oh, wait. I have runes right here. Let me grab them to see what they are. Probably nothing. I have 109,000. That's me and Trey killing a rot dragon, I think is where I was here last. Okay. Foot from the forge. Got it. The dex may come in handy later for a bow or something. But so you're telling me if a weapon scales primarily with strength and has a secondary scaling of dex, B strength, D dex, you never put any points in dex until you're like 99 strength. Is that true? I mean, because I don't know the rules, guys. I don't know the rules. Putting the dirty finger down. I'm getting summoned to another world. I could take the Bulbasaurs off my freaking equipment. Remove. All this stuff looks pretty good. Let me see if... I really didn't get hit by much fire that time. You know that? I'm going to look and see if I have a... Raises lightning attack but lowers damage negation. This one right here... I think I'm going to go ahead and be a little baby, and I'm going to take the fire. I am. So I'll do... I'm not doing full cheese. Oh, and you said Yo Golden Vow. Okay, cool. I'm not doing full cheese buffing here. Okay? I mean, you know, we might see phase 2 pretty quick, but not without my Scorpion Charm, it's not going to be as much. A year and a half ago, I'm not a Souls player. Many squirrels chasing a few Halletree jams later. Drew said, I did a crunch numbers. 60 strength, 34 dex is better than 80 strength, 14 dex. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying, Drew. That's what I... See? So if I have 68 points in strength right now, and 14 in dex, I should take the 8 out and put them in the dex. Yep, I love the fact that I kind of knew that. Don't even know what's in my freaking, Oh no! I'm not gonna get my unlimited mana on my freaking physic. Drew is trying to kill him by himself because he's kiting him away from us, folks. What move was that? I got a little damn in. Dude, what's he standing still for? It's horrifying me. Oh, Harlow got burned. Don't do anything dumb! Phase 2. Yeah, I love the way the lightning burns him. Burns him on, We going for Harlow? No person left behind. I love it. I love it. Okay, putting the dirty finger down. Just, they're not very difficult, fire giants. You know what I'm saying? You know, we all make mistakes. Usually, I'm the one that's dying. You got burned, yeah. Yeah. Feels like there's a little bit of lag or something sometimes. You know what I mean? He acts a little funny. I still want to make a reel of that crazy Black Knife Tish. I had a Tish, man. I summoned a Tish at the rune-strewn precipice. And he just like ran off, man, like a psycho. Like killing other people like in other rooms and stuff. It was weird. Never seen anything like it. Let's buff when we get to the fire. First big boulder. Yeah, well, I'm not gonna drink my flask until I'm like underneath him, because until I'm almost underneath him, because I'm not gonna have time. He does. Oh, he does. When he hits, he does still hurt, man. I'm still a little bit afraid of the fire damage. That's why I have some fire damage on. Although, you know, yeah, I don't want to die, because then I don't want people to feel bad about leaving me behind. You know what I'm saying? Well, did he go already? Oh, thought I could only summon Harlow. Yeah, it's fine, brother. It said host of fingers died. Did you get raided or something? Thought I accidentally walked into the boss fight. Air guitar streamer out at my house. That's how we roll. Nice. But if you're a gamer at truth, I'm sure you could get into Elden Ring. It's an awesome game. Oh, he's pretty hip to it, man. I've seen a lot of it here. Finger is down. My summon sign disappeared. Let's put it down again. There we go. Yeah, that physic is not that big of a deal on the save mana. I think it's for other spells, to be perfectly aged. Yep. You got me, brother. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Multiple fire giants here today at Charlie Sardo Gaming, folks. Having trouble with your fire giant? Come to Charlie Sardo Gaming. You got to play on PC. Okay. Dude, it was kind of warm today, man. It was kind of warm today in Texas. Equipping armaments. You can equip armaments. Each to your left and right hands. 3 to each. Harlow returned to their world. Connection error. You want to try and see if Harlow could do hers first? Up. I just put it down again. Yeah, I don't know why. It's a little wonky. I feel like it's always been. I don't know. We've had times where I was kept summoning Drew, no problem. Couldn't get Trey in. Times where I'm summoning Trey, comes in, no problem, couldn't get through it. You know what I mean? Why didn't anyone tell me how broken staff I've lost and Night Comet was with Terra Magica and Graven Mass Old School Talisman? And School Talisman, feel so left out. I'm slaying the crap out of trash mobs left and right. Let's try to summon you real quick one more time. Got you, man. Got you. Feeling good about it. There we go.
Hey!
Okay. So we'll... Oh, wait.
Hey!
Was I not supposed to attack him? If I hit him, he's dead. Come back here, buddy. He's just running around in circles, guys. This guy just likes to run around. What's he doing? That's not PvP. I mean, there's 3 of us. I get it. She got him. Okay. People are funny, man. I mean, if I were like, is that fun? Was that fun for that guy? I don't know. I think we aggro the trolls, folks. Now I'm low on mana. That should be alright. I got a sword. I could do some serious melee whacking if I... Oh, I burned my freaking flask too. It's alright. It's gonna be fun. Less cheese. Harlow looks like Melinda. Expect a crazy cool in your part of the world Wednesday. Tuesday nights again. No, I'm cool. I'm cool. Let's do it. Let's do it. It's better anyway, because I don't want to do too much cheese. Get some stam. Too early. He's gonna roll. I can't hit him. I'm under him. Get him! Get him! One more. One more. Well, we got him. Oh, man. I was getting greedy, man. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. I was getting greedy. If you guys want to finish it, you can, man. I feel bad. I feel bad. You gotta find, when you're playing with other people, you gotta find that happy medium between freaking, going nuts, you know what I mean, and not going nuts, right? Okay, I got my flask back. I got my right flask. That should be good. This will be fun. And this is Drew's, I think, right? Which is cool. And then we'll get Harlow's done. It's a 3 fire giant scenario. Folks. All good. We could cheese the heck out of him. It's kind of, yeah, I'll do the best I can to try and do some damn. Let's go ahead then and put lightning scorpion charm. Oh. See if we get invaded again, folks. If we get invaded again, I'm not burning all my stuff. That guy, no, I mean, it's 3-1 anyway, right? So when you get invaded, like, maybe I shouldn't, like, I just want to buff up and drink my flask and nuke the guy. Okay. Here we go, guys. This is second fire giant of the evening. I'm gonna put the hard poop on him, folks. I'm gonna put the hard poop on him. Get up here quick, Harlow, to get your free golden vow. Courtesy of Drew. I like to spread out a little bit. That way if he attacks one of us, the other one might not take the hit. Damn it. Don't back up! Let's send him to hell or for phase 3. Big lightning. Big lightning. Big lightning! Oh, that might burn him, guys. That might continue. Whoa. Yeah, it didn't continue as much as I thought it was going to. Okay. I think I should top off. Oh, I got his hand. I got his hand targeted. Wow. Get him! Dude, I Get him, guys. Get him. I died. You guys got this. You guys got this. This is not leaving me behind. My body's still warm, folks. He rolled away with his one leg. Oh, man. You had it. Oh. Oh, that was me leaving, right? They still got it? They're still in it, right? No, don't reset, man. When it's almost dead, you don't have to reset. I was in there doing big damn, you know. I'm gonna take damn. It's okay though. I'll put my finger back down in case you didn't whoa. Whoa. Calm down there. I'm over here freaking casting freaking spells and whatnot. Oh, you didn't get him, Drew? That's cool, man. You tried. I think it was worth trying, man. You might as well. You know, see, that just shows you it's not that easy, man. Because he'll roll away from you. You still got to hit him 4 times. You start shooting fire. Stuck in my weapon ash right in front of his fire mouth. Oh! Should have ran. Got into 5%. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty close. All right, we got it now. We got it now. And I can feel the difference. My sun sign disappeared. I can feel the difference, too, in the stam this guy has versus mine that I soloed. You know, when there's 3 people here, it takes way longer to kill him. Should have ran, got him to 5%. We got this now, man. We're getting our positioning. We're getting our rhythm. I hit him a little better with a couple of those. Seems like he's taking a step back every time. I need to get, like, further underneath him. I keep kind of being in front of him. Further underneath the Malarker, I think, is the preferred Manunu. Trying to go in ahead. It's not working. Well, epic was epic. He did an elbow drop. I was like, I got this. Moog spear ash, then his stomach mouth open. Yeah, the stomach thing is crazy, man. It's absolutely psychotic. Streamer comes on at the perfect time, folks. Taking a phase 2, baby! Don't back up! Phase 2. We'll see how dead I am. Got a little bit of... Okay, that's not too bad. I just feel like I buffed way too early. I like Harlow's positioning better, to be honest. I don't think he sees me. I think I got his actual butt targeted. I always get hit by at least one of those. I hate you, and I hate the way you roll, buddy. Right in the butt, folks. Big damn in the butt. Go! Ooh. Get him. Get him. I'm not doing much, damn. If I get burned, you gotta go. Okay, it's my last health pot. It's my last health pot. I'm coming in. Big damn. I hate you. I hate when you run from me. Nice. Good job, man. He one-shots me. Good job, Cat. You got your licks in. I'll tell you. You definitely got...
Hey!
You had his attention, too, which gave us time to close the distance. Good job, Drew. Now, we're gonna do cats. You want to do cats? That's what we're doing, right? The DLC Wicker Man as you fire a giant head on his exterior like jewelry. Putting my finger down. It's gonna be fun. Well, now, will all these be the same? Will they scale the same because all three of us are the same? Yeah, you gotta stay alive. You gotta remember to stay alive. So, you know, me and Trey were having trouble one night, and we basically just let Drew solo her. You know what I mean? So, I don't even think it was on Millennia, but it was like, we kept getting jacked up. We're like, let Drew take the lead. What boss was that? Do you remember that? It worked perfect. It worked perfect. Squirrel chase. Nice. What time is it? No squirrels for me tonight, guys. Well, I might have enough to do a little bit of damage, but I'm going to wait till later in the evening, guys. I want to work. I'm here to work. I'm trying to be professional. It's the hardest thing for me to do, Cat, is to stay alive. I feel so bad. Don't you feel bad? What? Did I move too far away from it or something? That's not like a real thing, is it? Putting it back down, Cat. Sorry about that. It was Radagon. Okay, yeah. Yeah, because you could, you were doing better with them. But we kept taking aggro, and we were getting nailed, and it's good strategy, man. You got to play to your strengths. You know what I mean? If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. We play Elden Ring After Dark. This is my lightning build that is, I think, ready himself to burn the capital, but I'm trying to think if I did or not. Did I go to... No, I did, because I did. I freaking, I one-shot Malakath night before last. Not one-shot, no-hit Malakath. First phase was right here. And just playing, just not getting hit. Second phase was the cheese, and I had to hit him twice. I meant to prolong the fight, go behind a pillar, and buff up and hit, and try and one-shot phase 2. One cast, he'd be dead. And I didn't buff. Because there was no hit. Phase 1 was so easy, it just ended. I'm like, no, usually I'm taking damage, I'm hiding behind pillars, I'm healing up, I'm buffing. No. You got the finger down, Cat? Mine failed. Well, mine failed once. I put it down again. Unless you're talking about the second one. I might have been making it fail a couple times. I was running over there. I mean, how far am I allowed to leave? Check my summon sign. Also yelled, I didn't buff. Yeah, I was so mad. Is it really? It's still playing up? Okay, let me cancel it. Let me try putting it in a different spot. I'm sure it won't matter, but I'm going to do it right here. Do you need to have the original Elden Ring to pre-order the DLC? Asks Watchful. This I do not. No. I don't know. But you can't play the DLC unless you have the game anyway, right? But you think yeah, but I don't know the answer to that. I would think they will sell you. They will just tell you, yeah, we'll sell you the DLC. You can't play it because you have to have the base game. But if you want to buy the DLC, the unplayable version, until you get the base game, give us the money, we'll give you the game. Sure, you can't play it, but... Right? You would think. I don't know, though. See where it is? It's over. A little left of the door. What is my summon sign? My summon sign's broken. Guys, so what are we like? How many subs are we from 7? Are we at 758 or something? Looking for some subs, guys, on YouTube. If you guys like what you see, or you think you could stomach it for a couple of times, I would really appreciate if you hit that sub button. And thank you in advance. Now you can pre-order your version of the game with the DLC combined. I think 80 USD if you don't already have the game. Do you have the version right? Still playing it up, says Cat. So it's not working, Cat? Should I try it again? You want to try it over by the Grace or something? 758, yeah. The original Elden Ring is still going for 110. Okay. Should I put it inside? You want me to go to the Grace, guys? Foot of the Forge. Fast travel and come back. Okay, that's what I did. I fast traveled. I'll come right back to the door. I'll come back to the door. Maybe that'll change something. You guys got invaded? Okay, I'm going to try and put it right near the Grace if you can pick me up before, We'll be on the Fire Giant side of the Grace. And if you can't, if you got to fight, that's cool. Looking. Trying to find invaders. That's the fancy version for 110. That says going to Grace. Okay. Are you guys invaded or no? I thought you were at the Grace fighting. That's why I came over here. It's probably a little delay. We got it, guys. We got it. Okay. She's going to summon me right here. We're going to run on foot. This is where the cheater was, man. The cheater that destroyed me and Trey. Whoa. There's a person right there, folks. Today is Monday. I have a gig Friday night, guys. I have a cool gig Friday night, man. So I'm very much looking forward to that. Oh, wow, I paid $50, around 60 US for my base Elden Ring on launch. Did you get any bonus material for 110? Asked Dave Joyce. Crushed him. Cat split him in two. Cool. With the blue laser beam. Congratulations. All right. This is it, guys. This is the big Malarker. Wielding an armament in two hands will increase your effective strength for that armament by 50%. Huh. Hey!
Hey!
All right.
Hey.
Hey!
Hey!
The chill music is on right now, guys. The chill. We're making the run to the Grace, you know. Okay. I don't know why they don't let you ride horses. They let you ride horses in like the seamless PvP, right? Like the seamless multiplayer mod or whatever. Isn't that what it's called? All right. Oh, we're probably gonna hit that one again. we go. Whoa. Big dam over here. No! I was gonna freaking... Oh my god. Yeah, you better be freaking scared of me, bro. Good, that tree held him. Don't let him roll! Good phase one, guys. Good phase one. Running into position. Whoa. Cat's in the same spot where she was the last time she died. We gotta get up in there quick. Watch out for them fireballs. They're nasty. Dude, he's like teleporting around. Right underneath it, baby. Okay, okay. I got a bad feeling about this. Hello, heal up, we're coming! I should have healed. Good job, Harlow. I mean, Millennia. Nice. Good job. Dude, I'm trying to remember if we ever did three fire giants back to back like that. Prepare for full on stream, Rob. R.I.P. Fire Giant. That was nice, man. Yeah, so now I'm like, okay, oh yeah, I just came to this character to help do that. Now, I want to go back to the other guy. And I guess I should just burn a freaking thing, right? Telling you when the blood procs and lightning hits their HP, just tanks. Yeah, we did a lot of damn there at the same time. That one reel was great of your Godric, man. Because you could see the Comet Azure, you could see my lightning, and then you could see your freaking blood. And it was crazy. It was literally like we planned it, the triple cheese. I said continue, I wanted to say load a game. They should like, you know, they should ask you. Well, they probably did ask me. Quick game, yes. I don't think I've killed Moog in a very long time. I'm trying to think which, well, like this character right here. Probably be pretty good on in a Moog scenario. Now here's where I gotta slow down and not click continue, guys. Load game. There we go. Boing. Volcano Manor. I forget who that even is. Smokey is the bandit. That's Reduvia Daggers, I think. Clyde 1850 is Morning Star, level 127. And Tom and Perry is level 150. That's the one I was thinking about respecting. What did we just... We just did his fire giant. Yeah, we did. We did. I wonder where the astrologers is at, guys. Level 138. I'm outside of my lane. No. So... I'm guessing his... Where is the grace? Where is the grace? For that one. Is it Erdtree Sanctuary? No. Where is the grace that you... Do you get a grace after you do the, Elden Beast? And what's it called if you do? Because I'm always like... I gotta run to the freaking thorns to see if I did it or not. You know what I mean? It's kind of weird to me. And then what am I gonna do? Zone in, and then what? It looks done to me. Is it done? That's not a fog wall. Yeah. Okay, so that's done for him. Radonna's done. Okay, let's just look around here in the. This guy might be ready for a little NG plus. He's got Estelle. He's done most everything a young astrologer can do. Volcano Manor, even though he didn't pick up any map frags. Can only go to Elden Throne after beating Elden Beast. That grace this side is no longer available. Fractured Marika Grave. And where is it? Fractured Marika Grave. I don't see it anywhere over here. But it's very possible I didn't get it. You know what I mean? Well, I know that let me see. Let's find I mean, I said I was going to make Reduvia Daggers and not burn the tree. But it's like I don't know. Cuz I kind of want to burn the tree, you know what I'm saying? Does anyone know how to hand me health pots when you summon? How to hold me health pots when you summon? It's after you beat Elden Beast. Yeah, but I did beat Elden Beast, or at least I can't fog wall in, so I did beat Elden Beast, right? It's the only explanation. Load game. He's level 138. I could have just checked to see if I have the remembrance, but I know to. If I can't zone in, then that's it. How to hold more health pots when you are summoned. Do you have an option? Look at my freaking Reduvia Dagger. He's got a pumpkin head, folks. You want to talk about tarnish? Whoa. You want to talk about tarnish? Look at the tarnish on that freaking helmet. This, yeah, see, there's like nothing done in Kaled at all. I guess I could go see what... Randy is probably just sleeping. So maybe we could go to see if the festival is nigh. I'm only allowed 3 health and 3 cerulean. Okay, guys, I'm out. Yeah, Drew, that was fun, dude. Thank you, man. Summon Wawa Village, guys. Sometimes you just gotta drive through Summon Wawa Village. I already killed this fool. I killed him for a reason, too. Oh, yeah, I came here for a trinket. It cost me a stone sword key. It was fun. Yeah, that was fun, man. 3 fire giants in a row, folks. Guys, we're going to go ahead and take out the invader. I keep running to the right. I'm tired of ducking, dodging, dipping, diving, and ducking this fight, guys. Do I get baited right here? I just did all this buffing for nothing? I didn't get my cheap shots off, guys. Yeah. Like I was saying. Before I was so rudely interrupted. There we go. Thank you. Thank you for understanding. Dude, the dam was sick right there, bro. Did you see that, man? She had no chance. Like Dragon Barrow is over here or something, right? And I felt like there was something I wanted to come over here for something and do something. I'm trying to remember what it was. Ooh. I probably already have that tier, guys. Might even have it equipped. Yeah. That's the upland hard tier over there, right? What's going on, Jackery Taylor? How you doing, man? It is Elden Ring After Dark. We just killed 3 fire giants. We did my fire giant. We did Drew's fire giant. And then we did Cat's fire giant. All back to back. It's actually kind of fun. It's pretty cool. I got 120,000 runes. I mean, we might as well just look right. See, but do I want to level up? Oh, no, I'm level 167, so this guy doesn't matter. The other one is at level 150. I might want to leave it at 150. Vanquish quickly. Yeah, 1,000% vanquishment. It's pretty brutal. These daggers are gnarly. Now, why can't I use Taunter's Tongue? I can only do that when... No. I don't want to do that. Wait, no. I want to remove it. Cancel. Why can't I do a Taunter's Tongue? Multiplayer. Taunter's Tongue, lure invaders. I don't understand that. Huh. I don't know all these fingers. If you successfully invade invasion, multiplayer will begin. Phantom recusant finger. Yeah. I should probably read a book on Elden Ring PvP because I don't freaking know. I just read all that stuff and I still don't know. Maybe I'm tired, guys. What time is it? It's still early, huh? 9:48? Yeah, I'm going this way. I know where I am. I know that cart. I know this dog. What's up, Scruffy? Dog's not coming. Oh, that one is. Get me off that grace, baby. Touch it. Touch it. Dogs in this game, they're really not that bad. Birds are still, I think, the most annoying. The Marty freaking birds. Where's the... If I could just... Is there something in here? Is there a boss in here? Come on, buddy. I'm not doing the sets of attack thing is a problem because they jump attacking. Tish. I'll take this. So freaking brutal, man. So freaking brutal. What's going on? Yeah. The damage with these swords is freaking fun. The vision shield, cool. Something we're not going to use. You would think I would learn that, but you know what? We got to fight the pumpkin hits. Would have been more fun to fight those two at the same time. By the way, like without the black knife teacher, I panicked. I ain't gonna lie. I panicked. You think I didn't panic? I mean, if I said I didn't panic, you wouldn't believe me, right? So yeah, definitely panicked. I seriously doubt the festival is nigh, but it could be. If it is, you guys want to go party with Radon? I'm gonna have to get in there and slice and dicing. I think I want one more mana pod, guys. Allocate. Lascus's. Allocate. That doesn't feel too bad. Okay, cool. Man, I'm still kind of hungry, guys. I had like a breakfast taco from yesterday left over. We got 2 tacos each yesterday. Breakfast tacos. Courtney went and got them. While I was being too lazy to get out of bed. And they were so big that like one was plenty. So we each had another full-size breakfast taco. And we brought them over here to my house. And I ate mine for breakfast. And then Courtney bailed and left hers here. Well, she's not here every day, so that food's gone. It's gone. So I had that taco for lunch. It was freaking great, man. I mean, for dinner. But, and like I said, it's pretty loaded, man. But I mean, it's just not a lot of food. So I'm a little bit freaking hungry right now. You know what I mean? Dude, snitches get stitches, bro. I hate the stitches, man. I want to get that spell. Okay, now, rot, poopy dragon. I hate this freaking dragon, man. The timing on the freaking poopies, it gets me down. This guy throws that sleepy hollow vibe on horseback big time. Yeah, you ain't kidding, man. Yep. He is rocking the pumpkin helm. Ooh, let's see if we can take this guy out. Well, I know I can. Wow. I know I shouldn't have done that. You're stuck in a fence, folks! Dude, I'm telling you, man. The Reduvia daggers are a beautiful thing, folks. Ashibor poison moth fight. Cool. That was nice, huh? I just smashed half a dozen mini corn dogs. Yeah, dude, that sounds good, man. Oh, you know what? I don't have corn dogs. I do have hot dogs and hot dog buns. And I would be putting so much mustard on the corn dog anyway. It just doesn't have the actual corn dog bread on it, but I'm just gonna make. That's what I'm gonna eat a little bit later. I'm just gonna make a couple of hot dogs. I cut up some red onion. Throw it on there with a freaking ungodly, almost so much mustard that it almost doesn't make sense or seem right. Like if you didn't know me and you saw how much mustard I put on it, you would think there's something wrong with me. That much mustard. That much mustard. That's how much mustard I'm gonna freaking put on these freaking things. Can you tell? Do I sound hungry, guys? You know I like my. Whoa. I don't remember looking around down here before. It looks like I can drop down there. Doesn't it? That's not far. Well. Deathrite bird ahead. Is there a deathrite bird? Should I stake a Marika? I'm just take the Grace, man. Mustard on dogs is a must-have. Yeah, but mustard on corn dogs? Oh, my God. Mini corn dogs? What is that? That sounds so good. Sounds so good. Just run. Oh, my God. It put me all the way back here. Oh, he's going to take my runes away from me. The poopy dragon wants me, folks. LOSM. Head for the runes. Didn't get near you, bro. There's a catacombs over there. Yeah, I think I've already been there this run, I believe. The skull by that knight's cavalry at nighttime. Ah. Where to put my... Something chasing me? Oh, got it. Yeah. It's freaking birds. Now, the way I fell... Maybe I should have known. But I think I could have done better. And I still think I might have been able to. Whoa. It looks like you can. I still want to have to run again. I could grab the Grace first. That'd be a move. Then we could try some parkour scenarios, folks. Here at Charlie Sardo Gaming. Exhausting all parkour scenarios. Guys, Radon's up. Elite tier snacking mini corn dogs in mustard while jamming stream rock on horseback. Dude, that's pretty fringe, man. You know what I mean? You got your niche. If that's your jam, yeah, if that's your jam, man. Mini corn dogs, mustard, stream rock on horseback. Pretty cool. This freaking guy. The festival guy. But now, let's make merry. We're gonna make merry, guys. I don't even know her. Okay. I think I've rested a freaking million times. I should have all my stuff. Sick fight, eh? No, we didn't fight yet, bro. Okay. Do I have to talk to him?
I must admit, Todd, he must have heard about Star Scourge at once. He's also now. The way ahead is pleasing.
Star Scourge. Ziggy Star Scourge. Do you have to do carry a matter before fighting Radon? I don't. Well, no, I don't know. Festival is nigh. Festival is nigh, guys.
Before we begin, allow me to paint you the full picture.
Before we begin, let us see how this guy eats his friends like dogs.
General Radon is cursed ever to wander. Eaten from the inside by Melania's scarlet rot, his wits are long gone.
I know Rot is good on this guy. I hope he bleeds because
Now he
I think
gathers
that's what we're rocking.
for friends and foes.
Free Fire Giant Vanquished.
Like a dog.
Charlie, what's happening, brother? What I missed? How we doing after darkers? Bielski, how you doing, my brother?
He must be
Oh, gathering of champions.
I want to turn the music down just a hair.
Rebels begin.
Is the music a little hot?
The celebration celebration of war. The Radon Festival.
Okay. I don't think I've ever waited that long for that. What's a somber over here? Like, is there a somber? Is it a somber? 4 or something? 5. I'll take it. Free loot, folks. We're gonna head to Radon. I have 164,000 runes. I think maybe we should check, because I might have some big runes in my pocket and we might be close to a level. And we're gonna fight Radon, and if you know me, 198, I need 34, 35,000. Okay. Inventorio. These are 50k, right? Cool. Now, this is more not for the level as much as so I don't have to worry about leaving the runes on the floor, because guys, here at Charlie Sardo Gaming, I will not pick up runes, guys. 50 Vig, it's freaking embarrassing. 45 Dex. And 50 Arcane. So it's Dex and Arcane, I guess, that I want for this build, right? Let's see what the freaking webs scale with, guys. We'll see where we're going to put them. Let me out of here. You guys know Reduvia daggers? Strength is E, Arc is B, and Dex is C. So Arcane, and that's why Arcane does have more. Let us now look at what we have, and then we'll figure out where we're going to put our point. It's only 1 point, folks, but you know what? Anything worth doing is worth doing the best you can. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. I could stick an endurance too. Doing it. Just endurance, man. Just endurance. Just enduring. Arcane helps the bleed proc. Yeah. So what led me to question intentions? Giga Gamer, what was it? Narration definitely easier to hear now. Yeah, man. Welcome, Giga Gamer. Hope things are going well in your life. I'm gonna run in there with these Reduva daggers and try and carve up what's his face. Radon. Should be able to. Wait. Oh my God! Since I rested, I gotta talk to this fool again. I think when he says the line, but now we must make merry. I think when he says that, I think that's when the door opens. You gotta, yeah. Already did this. Skip. Skip.
We must make merry.
There we go. Let's make merry. Okay. Now the door's open, guys. I can see it. You won't pick up runes. Dude, when I say I won't, it's like I will if I see him and I remember to. I just like... I don't worry about it. Now, as I've gotten a little bit better at the game than I was, I guess I probably could pick up my freaking runes. You know what I'm saying? I get out of the habit, man. I just get out of the habit of picking them up. I've had times where I was like having a lot of trouble killing a boss or something, and I go farm some freaking runes, but I really have not been doing that on these playthroughs anymore, the last few playthroughs. But if I have like, you know, 100, if I got like 2 levels worth of runes on me, and I forget to pick them up, I'll be mad at myself. You know what I mean? Whoa. Forgot. Wow. There we go. Hey, the Torgoth guy. I remember him. He was in the Ruin Struin Precipices. Wow. Here come the sticks, folks. Summon Okinawa. A whole place. You guys go ahead and keep them busy. I'm going to go ahead and buff up. Why she coming at me? I summon people. You don't know what? You didn't know I... I don't want to fly away. Got him. Sadly, I mean, I had used summons there, but I never drank. Did I drink health? Did I drink health? I don't think I drank health there, guys. I don't think I drank health. You guys, did I drink health? Hey man, thanks, great game and stream. Giga, thank you, man. Yeah, dude. What are you into, man? You're Elden Ring? You an Elden Ring guy? This, like, I've got a few games at the end game right now. I just kind of celebrated my 20th Elden Beast about a week or 2 weeks ago. And it was only my second no summons playthrough. I've always used summons. Like, it's my first Souls game, and I'm just like, I'm not very good at it. You know what I mean? So I did, and I had to grind on that freaking Elden Beast, man. But I did it. I did it without summoning. That video will be up soon. It's so close to being done. It's a sin, Ma. All I gotta do is record a freaking intro, man. I gotta record an intro. Everything else is done. All the freaking captions and all the freaking editing, and it's just like, what am I doing? I gotta get her done. Yeah, the beginning when he chased you, and you said, why is he chasing? Yeah. So he did hit me. And I topped off. I guess I did top off. Yeah. It was very deep into that. After I drank. I thought I would have been hit. You know what I'm saying? After all that running around between his legs and stuff, and I never got. Oh, Alec. Shh, guys. You look sad. Should I talk to him?
Hello there.
Hey, buddy. Sick fight, eh?
It was a battle marvelously fought. You are well and truly a champion, friend.
You did pretty good too there.
One hit was all it took to crack me.
Uh-oh.
For my insides to come spilling out.
He feels bad.
After that, I hid like a coward.
You did what you could do.
I can hardly stand to face one such as you.
Oh.
As luck would have, if I can just send you know.
I'll kill you later and get the shard.
Just you wait.
Where is that? That's in Farum Azula, right?
Just you wait.
And when he's not there, there's a dragon there or something? I'm trying to remember what that is. I usually make a run through here and grab some glove warts, man. How are we doing on glove warts for the next few playthroughs, folks? Let's just check it out. Sometimes, guys, you might want to make a new summons or something, right? These are gonna be like 9s, I think. 3-9 ghosts. 4-9 graves. I don't know what's in that one, but you know what? Is there a grate? What if there's a grate in there? I don't think there is, though. I think it's a Nokron, right? I think it's a Nokron, folks. Think we could make the Psycho run, guys? Just not kill anything. You know the run, right? We just make the Psycho run. Wait, I'm going the wrong way. I'm supposed to be going this way. Yeah, so we'll see if we can... Wait a minute, man. Where is the freaking... That's it right there. War Dead. It is north. Duh. It's even on the map. Yeah. It's right there. I remember now. Okay, we're gonna go to the War Dead Catacombs. We're not gonna... Okay, one guy I might kill. You know the one. You know the guy, right? Not the archer. Not the first archer. Not the second archer. But the knight in the room between the first archer and the second archer. He teleports, disappears. That guy. Because that'll give me time to make a plan for the freaking that second archer. Because you gotta run, guys. You gotta run fast. Once you get past him, you're doing pretty good. Once you get back, you gotta jump out a window, but you gotta know which window, folks. And then this is a ulcerated tree spirit? Is that right? Because that thing would be really tricky for me to freaking, to try without summons. Okay. Let's go get our free gloveworts. If I knew if there was a grave or a great ghost 10 in here, then I would know whether or not I want to even bother doing this or not. We rested, I think, already. 226. Let's see. Level up. Endurance at 30. Yep, endurance at 30, folks. That's the move. Okay. Now, you've got to learn your pathing, folks, for your secret glovewort scenarios. Here's one of them here. What level would this be, do you think? But no, it's not very high level, right? It's a 6. Magic grease, I'm not even using it. Okay. And 1! Streamer comes on at the perfect time. We're dead. I said I wasn't gonna kill this guy! I just freaking face tanked him and still didn't get him. He had to be close, man. I would take like it was one roll. No bleed on the tree spirit. Yeah, that's just a problem where tree spirits, right? You kind of want fire. Trees don't bleed, do they, Winston? Okay, now I'm still gonna kill the first one, but that dude, I'll probably kite him out and then just bail on him. Just bail on him. I don't need that crap in my life. Whoa. Get your stand back. This dude's gonna shoot at you. Ah, mama. Mama. Okay. This is not the window, I don't think either, is it, guys? Maybe it is. Because I think there was an earlier window. That's not the window. They look like little baseball players. The archer's probably going to shoot me right now. Okay, this window. Wow. There's a glovewort, guys. We got to get it. I probably should have never done this! Leap of faith. Get some stand back. He's gonna kill me now if I don't start dodging. I got him. It looked like it was a good idea, but that was not a good idea. All right, well, I like to pick the pretty flower. If you didn't know that, I like to pick the pretty flowers, folks. So, like, I mean, what the hell am I gonna? Oh, shut up. Like, oh wait, there's one here too I didn't see. What? I guess there is. Pumpkinhead. Sorry, Pumpkinhead. Okay. Let's see if there's any particular... Wait. Like, Black Knife Teach doesn't do fire damage, right? Like, I got a fire monk... No. I want something that does fire damage that's level 10, and I probably don't have it on this character. I don't. I don't even have a Latoul. Looks like Black Knife Teach is it, folks. Okay, Give me up that. Okay, we're fixing to go in, guys. Guys. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try. Oh no! Yep. Good. Yep. I mean, I can't get hit by... Well, I haven't... Look at this. Maybe we can do it. Well, I was probably supposed to run away from that, huh? I drank. Ah! Actually try to dodge one. It's like he's healing. I have so many health pots I'm topping off. Got him! I don't know. I guess I should have tried it without the Tish, huh? It would have been a whole nother animal, guys. We got 166. We got points for that. A few brownie points. Tish will stay alive the longest. Yeah, Tish did good. I was doing way more damage than I thought I would. You know what I mean? Yeah, way more damage than I thought I would. But, you know what? We got, what do we get, folks? We got Radon done. Now, like, is Nocron open or something? Yeah, a poopy open in the middle of the floor, right? Yeah, man. Let's just go knock it out. I think an electric reindeer, guys. It's gonna be in my punk band. My next punk band is gonna be called Electric Reindeer. Was he healing off your bleed? I'm telling you, did it not look like his health went up? Fancy to play after the stream. Yeah, cat. Oh, I felt like I looked at him and his health had gone up. But when I went in there and started slicing and dicing, I was shocked at how fast his health would go down. You know what I mean? Am I going the right way? Am I going the right way, folks? I don't think I can still ride my horse in there, can I? I feel rude, like I should be riding a horse in the house. Sorry, Ma. I died over here earlier with Trey somehow. I forget what loot this is. Next is... Wait a minute. Oh, yeah, this is not Sophia River. See, I died over here somewhere. Goofing. Trying to... I just fell. I think right there or something. Is there not... Whoa. I thought there was loot in that corner. So next up is the Mimi tier. Oh, my God, guys. Trey and I fought my Mimic tier with the big box. I think I unequipped one to buff, and I left it unequipped when I went to summons. But then he'd still equip the other one. I swear he did. Did he do that? Because that's what I feel like he did. But I'm telling you, he was Royal Knights resolving and he freaking one-shot Trey, man. Just freaking melted him. It's very, very brutal. These could be similar. Like, I bet if I just leave the guy with all his stuff on like this and, like, summon the teacher and let them fight, pumpkin-headed Reduvia is going to beat freaking Black Knife Teacher, I think. You know what I'm saying? I call him the teacher, folks. Okay, little drop. Remember this? Like, first time being here and being like, wow. And you're running all that distance and being like, maybe already having fallen once. Yeah, see, this is where I fell. I fell in that crack right there. Okay. There's a club ward over here, I think. And if you know me, you know I gotta have it, folks. Okay. You can rest. Just go. Just go. We know where we're going. We're heading right to the Mimi tier. First time seeing that boss. Radon? For that... Oh, well, that's like a mini boss. He's just the boss of the catacombs. The ulcerated tree spirit. Those things are pretty nasty, man. They'll do a bite. They'll do like a grab where they bite. Kind of got near. Is it coming back? Looks like it is coming back. You guys, I don't know. I connected directly to YouTube this time, so I know if I was on... What do you call it? Restream gives up quick, right? Yeah, so that should be reconnected. Yeah, we good. Did anyone stay? I'll know when it comes back in updates and there's like 4 people here or 2 people. Jay's like, sorry, dude, everybody left. Chat disconnected. Please wait while we try to reconnect you. Successfully connected. Question mark? Anyone still here? Sorry about that. My internet just blinked, guys, and it doesn't normally do that. It's pretty rare. If I know from streaming for 3.5 years full time that it's best not to give up right now, and it's best if it starts happening again to just they're working on a tower or something. You know what I'm saying? So hang in, guys. We're going to kill the Mimi right now. I'm going to kill the Mimi. And if we have any more problems, we'll just call the stream later. No big deal. But I'm not going to cheese him. I'm not going to cheese him, guys. I'm not going to cheese him. As a matter of fact, I don't think I want to buff him, though. I mean, is that wrong? Because he'll freaking he'll come at me like a spider monkey, man. Let's go try it. What do I gotta do? It's my only head start I'm taking. See, you should be able to dodge like that because I'm the real Mimi. Oh God. You're just a fake Mimi. Are you freaking serious? How did you do that? I'm like watching the replay right now. Yeah, I was at about 80% health. I was at about 80% health, guys. Did you see that freaking? But I also was kicking his butt. Just with the ranged attack. Well, you know what I'm saying? Maybe I got to keep doing that. He didn't golden vow either. He just, I don't think he golden vowed. He flame grounded me strength. Oh! I could have flasked too, and I didn't flask. Okay. We're going to try and get all the buffs off, folks. Every buff. If we can. After we summon the Fool. See, I feel like I want to freaking... I learned this from Trey, folks. Winston Hall said Mimi got buffed or something. He casted a flame grant me strength on himself. I feel like once he comes in, he doesn't get buffed anymore. You know what I mean? Right? I'm gonna do like this. Let him come in. He's buffing anyway, man. Did I not get my golden vow off? What is he hitting me with that I don't have? He just vowed up. What is he hitting me with that's so much more powerful than what I have to hit him with up close? Is he two-handing a weapon or something, maybe? Dude, he's dodging everything. God, he hit me. I don't want to top off, but I feel like I should. You know what I mean? Oh, he's two-handing it. That's what he's doing. He's two-handing, guys. That's why he's getting so much down. Wow. Well, now I feel better about drinking, at least. What is he doing to me? It's so gnarly. God, I got him. Dude, that was like freaking horrifying for me, man. 758 subs. Yeah, we've been to 758 today, man. I'm looking for it. I'm looking for 760, man. If anybody likes what they see, we got a pretty good community here. We play a lot of Elden Ring. We're going to be doing all the downloadable content. I got shorts on my page here at Charlie Sardo Gaming. If you just go check it out, you'll see what we got going on. It's pretty cool stuff. And yeah, man. If you like what you see, throw me a sub. I'd love it at 760 off this video, whether we do it on the live right now or whether we do it on the replay. I'll take any. Guys, just two. Two's, you know, I like round numbers. You know, then we'll start worrying about 775. You know, it's not really round, it's quarterish. His bleed was better. Dude, Winston, it was, man. And he was two-handing the whip. And you know what he was doing, too? Here's what I think he was doing. Two-handing the right-handed weapon. And he was doing this. Two-handed. And then I think whatever he was doing, whatever stabbing he was doing, too. That, I think, is what was happening. Because he would just hit me and almost melt me. He deleted me once. It was just crazy, man. I always wondered where that freaking free somber comes from, guys. And it always comes from right here, because you're right past this guy, and he goes off the bridge. And then you get somber 5, and I'm like, hey, free somber 5. I don't know where it came from. I'm always halfway down the bridge, and the thing freaking falls off. This bleed was better than mine, man. I'm just glad I didn't cheese him. You know what I'm saying? I could have took the daggers off and just beat him up. I took my time. I tried to be a little patient. I popped some starlight shards for extra mana. Sorry, sir. I like to pick the pretty flowers. Whoa. I feel like I should grab that one while I'm here, but my order of operations is usually run up here, grab the grace. Probably be more efficient to grab that one now, but I guess grabbing it late wouldn't be too bad either, right? When I come here, last time I came here, I usually do a bunch of this stuff here first, but technically I should run down there. But oh yeah, it's not for Mimi, it's for Ranny, huh? We gotta go get the curse mark from death or something, right? Curse mark of death. I just say from to sound dumb, guys. I don't know why. It's dad stuff, I guess. Give me that free loot there, buddy. Rejuvenating Bulbasaurs. Okay. There we go. Oh, almost missed the jump, folks. Don't need you. Don't need you. But I do want the free runes, so thank you all for that. Okay. If you're new to the stream, by the way, my name's Charlie. I play guitar. I play chess. This is my music in the background. A lot of people don't know that. New people coming in, people watching the replay. I recorded this for my chess stream because I'm like, well, I want to play music, but I can't play music because everything copywritten. So I just recorded these four songs. I made some drums, some backing tracks, bass and drums. This is to like activate my Mimi, huh? I don't need that. Right? Whatever was right here, I got. This is the Mimic tier itself, right? I mean, I probably have Stone Sword keys. There's a little fool in here, isn't there? There's a Fulio. Hey, me and Fulio down by the schoolyard. All right. Yeah, this is where we find out. Yeah, Charlie did not need to do that. I'm scanning the room for other enemies and loot. Yeah, that's exactly right. We have multiple Mimic tiers now, guys. You always got to remember to jump. Try jumping. That's probably what that message says. You can't land on the ball if you don't get the ball to do anything stupid. Maybe I can shoot this fool. Well, okay. Oh my god. The ball is now... Oh my god, the whole room's mad. I just wanted to activate the ball so I could try and land on the ball. I just try and land on the ball, guys. It's a huge black ball. I try and land on it. I haven't been able to pull it off yet, folks. But you can't land on it if you don't get it. You guys just go away. Okay. Can't get on a horse. Gotta make the run. That's fine. This is what we got to get for Ranny, right? It's a dagger or something. Celestial poo, folks. You absolutely love to see that stuff. That'll come in handy later. Come on. Those things are pretty cool, actually, if you think about it. The first time you ever saw one, they have those swords that are like 4 times longer than their body. It's like, how do you even do that? So is it foldable or something? The fingers. Oh, great ghost glove word. Okay. Done with that. Ancestral woods. We're going to go through the 7 layers of the Jellyfield Forest, folks. But not until we light some fires. Is that really where we're going to go? So, next from here is... This is the reindeer that heals. Right? It's a healing reindeer. And twin gargoyles. Am I right or am I right or am I right? Oh, guys, we have exactly 10,000, 12,000 more. Okay, we got our endurance up to 30. Dex is 45. Arcane is 50. And we said which one scales more. You said the arcane will help with the bleed. But Arcane B, Dex C. Okay. Arcane B. Arcane B. Dex C. So probably Arcane is where we 50. Yeah, for sure. For sure. Okay. There we go. Coolio down by the schoolyard. It's crazy how big this game is. Dude, Winston, isn't it, man? This game is... It's a trip. Like, I haven't been here for a minute, and I was thinking I was in Sophia River, because I'm doing the same... Like the freaking... Like the fire stuff. You know what I mean? I was farming something over here for something. Beast bones. Beast bones. Anyone ever farm beast bones over here, folks? It's the beast bone farm. Come on, man. I LOS'd you, buddy. Me and Julio down by the orange dog. Whoa, easy there, man. They're freaking flinging. They're flinging and dinging, folks. Now, I always say I'm not going to kill the rats until I kill the rats. Oh my god, all its sisters are coming and their friends too. Dude, I'm the slowest mount in the West. Oh my god, why do I have to have it? Because I don't remember it. Ashabor Enchanted Shot, huh? Now, I did platinum the game, guys, just like kind of recently. I bet today, no, soon... Well, I think we're going to hit 1,400 hours. I think we're at 1,300 and something. Oh, there's one. I forgot you have to go near the orange dog. I hate the orange dog, man. This orange dog is aggro, bro. He's aggrolicious. So, yeah, I think I'm just creeping up on 1,400 hours in this game. I've only done 2 Know Someone's playthroughs. Just finished one of those a couple weeks ago. Now there's just one more down the street here, right? And then reindeer. Stop! I don't know why you gotta be angry all the time. Whoa. Gloveworts. I got the glovewort, right? Yeah, I did. Good. I got the gold tinged excrement, right? Okay, good. I hate the reindeer that freaking... that heals, guys. That's why we want to try and maybe summon a Mimi or a Tish. Oh, there's one more over here, too. I forgot. The thing is, this thing is so freaking... He moves so much, man. He'll probably just pick the Mimi apart. He'll probably just, like, throw poopies. He'll spit blue poopies on the floor, and Mimi will stand in it, right? What are you guys looking at? What are you guys looking at? Okay. Hopefully, we can keep the blood stacking on this fool. I guess we just summon a Black Knife Tish. And hope he does damage. Hope he does some damage, right, folks? I mean, I could try and do it myself. The thing about doing it myself, this is the one that heals. It's gonna be a long fight. We could try it. Yo, Jay Cook, what's up, my brother? How you doing, man? We're gonna try it, guys. We're gonna try and no summon this freaking thing. All right. We gotta try and keep our stam up when he comes in, so we can do massive amounts of Okay. Get behind him. Oh my god, he hit me with it. Dude, I got him at 50% real quick. You see that? And I might have put some bleed on him. That might be my trick. If I can do that, that'll be good. Come on, get up. You gotta hit him! Dude, he's gonna go heal forever. He's just gonna... Oh, I remember this one. I don't see it very often, though. We get him? Alright. That wasn't that bad. That wasn't that bad, guys. We did it without summoning. To be honest, it was never in question. I can't wait for a tree. Yeah, me too, Caleb. Yeah, you know, I can even wait until June. Now that I know it's supposed to be coming in June. You know what I'm saying? Dude, I think there's like a dead animal on this port. That's misleading. You know what I mean? They shouldn't let that... Get off of there. Get off of there, buddy. Get off there. It looks like one of those videos where they're culling the herds. The invasive species. Huh? You guys ever watch those? It's pretty rough. Maybe we shouldn't talk about it. Sorry I brought it up. 73,000. That probably tells you... Oh, yeah, no. Now we get twin gargoyles, guys. Twin gargoyles. That is going to be tricky, guys. Wait, did I rest? No. Okay, I know where the Grace is. If I can't port there, I'll run there. I don't freaking care. This is my Beastbone freaking route anyway. I've already ran it 1 trillion times. Guys, it was for the arrow playthrough. Sometimes you need beast bones to make arrows. That was a good playthrough, man. I mean, it wasn't my favorite or anything, but these guys are going to be rough, man. I'm going to wish I had more stam, bro. This is what I like to call the 7 layers of the jellyfish forest, folks. It's a very secret place. No one knows about it. It's very mysterious and filled with love and peace and jellyfish. White jellyfish. See all 7 layers, guys. You feel like you're feeling layers right now? Almost to the top layer, guys. Got like Hound Tooth, the Hound Fang, Old Fang. Yeah. Yep. Got it. This song is called Stream Rock. Some say it's the best horse riding music in the world. Torrent seems to approve. Can't wait for Erdtree. Cool. See, that freaking internet blinked, guys, and it didn't do it again. That's why I didn't end the stream. But if it would have kept doing it, you keep coming back. It's like, it doesn't happen very often, guys. But when it does, the thing to do is just make a decision. This guy's got a really long pole. I don't know what I got to kill him for. I think I'm probably better off saving my health pots for everything else. Now, the healing reindeer wasn't that bad. If these freaking things will bleed, might be okay. You know what I mean? I just know in my life, I got to kill the first one either dead or real close before the second one gets here. Because if he's like 30%, 20%, 30%, and I got to dodge them both, we're start running around. Oh, man, it gets rough, guys. It gets freaking rough. Last cup. Give me some strength. Give me some strength. Give me some vow. How you like me now? Why'd I stay in a poopy? They should give Bulbasaurs. Okay, wait, I gotta learn some of this, right in his butt! Big damn! Okay, well, we got him to 50% and fully poisoned. And the sister's there. Yeah, so that, I mean, that was not good gameplay at all on my end. I understand there's a little bit of a skill issue there, but not whole. But guys, if you like what you see, please consider throwing me a sub. I'm gonna wrap the stream. I'm gonna get some food, and we got a lot done today on this playthrough. I freaking love you guys, and we will be back tomorrow's Tuesday, yeah, so I'm gonna try and come back early tomorrow, not 8 p.m. tomorrow, because tomorrow I have my open mic, guys. Tuesday night open mic, right? Like Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is usually 8 p.m. is when we stream, guys. I got a gig on Friday, so I won't be here for that day. But you guys are learning the schedule. It's pretty good, man. I'm here all the time. I'm a professional streamer, full time. This is what I do. Chess Monday through Thursday, 4 p.m. at Facebook Gaming. Any interest or you know anyone, send them my way. Freaking love you guys. If you would, toss me a like and throw me a sub. And thank you guys for being here. Good night.